Healthy Air Solutions. At Custom Air Systems, we have been helping the residents of Pearland and Friendswood area for over 20 years with their heating and cooling needs. We pride ourselves in delivering trusted, reliable, and quality service. Part of that service means ensuring our customers are provided with healthy air solutions. A number of factors can contribute to poor air quality in your home. Humidity, dust, mold, and mildew can all be harmful to your health when circulated through your heating or cooling system. Custom Air Systems are experienced and knowledgeable about HVAC systems. Our technicians are trained to analyze and conduct thorough air quality testing. Whether you have a business or residential unit, we can direct you to the best course of action. Choose Custom Air Systems for your air quality testing and healthy air solutions. Call 281-784-0213 or schedule your appointment on our site, customairsystem.com.